Hi, I'm Chris. Thanks for joining us here on SIRENNET Television. The guys at Star Cars have a fresh project underway, taking a 2018 Ford utility and dressing it up for its future life in traffic enforcement. So we'll go ahead, take a look with Stuart, who happens to be down there looking at the rig along with the guys. We'll go through some of the highlights of the full installation process, seeing this thing fully taken apart and fully ready to hit the street.
Hi Austin, how's it going?
It's going good.
So you're loading pretty much all of the electronics and components into this particular area here. Now this is under the rear prisoner seat. Is that the area in question, or is this something that will fold up once it's in position?
This actually is not getting a rear prisoner seat.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
This is going to end up having a shelf over the top of all of this, so
Right.
that they can put equipment on top of this.
Right.
They just wanted this to be accessible with a hatch. So, gotta get this all situated first and then build a cover.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the building, the pneumatic drill is going off. It's going to go off for a minute longer.
Yeah.
So you were saying, so basically they're going to be a hatch, and then from that hatch they'll be able to access this. So really this is kind of a unusual design. It's kind of like a little police minivan.
This is the second one we've ever done this way. It's not common, that's for sure. Makes it a little bit more challenging.
Great. Well, you guys are always up to a challenge.
Yeah.
Hey Danny,
Hi Stuart.
how's it going on your side?
Oh, pretty good.
So basically, in this particular vehicle, you've now mounted up, because it's a slick top vehicle, you've mounted up on the front here a SoundOff product, which is already up the front there.
Yep.
And then also in the same situation, you've mounted SoundOff in the rear as well.
Yeah.
And then you're getting the radios in,
Radio and siren controller in.
right? And the weapon system is already in position.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
So Austin, you're working on the programming now?
Yeah, gotta get all the button configurations for this controller set up.
Does that take quite a bit of time, or
Not
not
if
too
you've
much?
done it before.
You haven't? Oh,
I have not done this specific step before.
well, there's always a first time for everything.
First time for everything.
Well, thank you, Stuart. A phenomenal traffic utility it's turned out to be. A great simple warning package combining SoundOff signal, Whelen engineering. Definitely one of my favorites is those Nano 6s nicely tucked down into that lower grille. So some neat ideas for those of you putting together your own version or mixing in something nice and stealthy for fire and rescue application, or maybe just your own Ford Explorer. Again, neat product to take advantage of. So, crafty hands of the gentlemen at Star Cars, big shout out to you guys. Wonderful, wonderful vehicle yet again. Stuart, see you back here in the office. I'm Chris. Thanks for joining us yet again on SIRENNET Television.